Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Honda Fit key fob here. It works for these models 2018 and 2020 and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery in the description, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn this key over to the back right here, and you see this small button. Now you need to slide this button to this side, and when you do that, this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. Now when you remove the mechanical key and you turn the fob like this, here to the bottom, you see these two pieces. Now right between them, right here, you need to insert the tip. Only the tip here of the mechanical key, insert it between these two pieces, and now twist it a little bit to the side, push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this. When you separate them, right after that here you see your dead battery. To remove the battery, again it's very easy, just insert the tip of the flat screwdriver right here and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place just insert your new battery. And also make sure, this is very important, to place it with the positive side facing up. So this here is very important. Now when you place your new battery over here, take these two pieces again. Make sure everything fit together nicely like this, all corners to match, and just snap them together, just like this here. And when you snap them together, take this mechanical key again, put it back inside the fob just like at the beginning, and right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.